What's going on, everybody? It's Josh with Just Dingers. We're doing our auction breaks tonight. This is first time in a little bit I've done breaks on Tuesday night. Usually we do Thursday nights. But figured I'd get some auctions in this week and have a little more time. So I'm always eager to open up some boxes of cards and stream it for you guys. We are doing Bowman Draft First Edition first. This is a 50-pack carton. And I don't know if you can see, but this is how they ship if you were not aware. It's going to kind of rotate the box around to show that it hasn't been tampered with at all. But if you haven't seen one of these open before, unfortunately they ship it in this box. The packs are loose in there. Nice thing about these pick your team auction breaks is they don't have to random off. Every Thursday we do random team breaks, so there's a randomization process in that, but in this we can just get to it. So let's do that. It's 50 packs. Hopefully we pull a bunch of the big names. Povich, Mason Miller, Cody Morissette, Brock Selvage, Andrew Painter. Got a sky blue foil of Garrett Mitchell. Not a first card. Jaden Hill, Matt Mikulski, Cal Conley. There's a Jordan Lawler. And a foil of Helio Ramos. The first edition cards are pretty valuable. I think the Marcelo Mayers go for 120 a piece, something like that. So for a paper card, which we'll probably get a few of, it's a pretty good deal. Rodriguez Cruz, Kevin Kopps, Shane Panzini, Wes Kath, and we got a Chase first. Sky blue for the Astros spot. Reed Trimble, Dante Williams, Steven Hajar, Mason Black, Frank Mazzucato, Colton Cowser, and the first edition Sky Blue of Joe Mack for the Marlins. No first card so far. It's Ethan Wilson. And got a first at the back of the pack. Sky Blue Cade Povich for the Minnesota Twins. Ethan Wilson. There's Brady House. Tyler Black, Pete Kubik, Calvin Ziegler, Henry Davis in the same pack as Brady House, Jackson Jobe as well. Miguel Jurado is the foil in that pack. Pretty nice getting Davis and House in the same pack. I'm pretty high on this draft class personally. Been breaking a good bit of the stuff, but probably be holding on to a few boxes for myself to see how this group pans out over the next few years. Geez, this is an interesting pack there. It seems like it got kind of warped. Tanner Allen, Jackson Merrill, Mike McGreevy, Brandon Beck, Ryan Holgate, Cameron Cawley, and we got a sky blue parallel of Tyler Madison for the Tigers. Andrew Painter, Landon Marchot, Kai Bush, and we got a sky blue of Gunnar Hogland for the Blue Jays. Getting some pretty good first parallels so far. Alex Spinellas, Ryan Holgate, Jackson Wolf, Jackson Merrill, Carter Jensen, Bryce Miller, and we got a Jordan Groshans sky blue. Joe Mack, Ryan Cusick, Luke Murphy, Chad Patrick. Sky blue here of Jordan VRs for the Phillies. Pretty solid box so far. Kate Povich, Sam Bachman, Isaac Pacheco, Carson Williams, Ty Madden. First of Jake Fox, shortstop for the Indians, sky blue parallel. Chase McDermott, Wes Kath, Eric Silva. Wow. First edition autograph, Joe Rock for the Colorado Rockies. This is numbered 295 to 499. Congrats to the Rockies spot going to Shane, I believe. We're about, I think, 8 packs in maybe, and we're hitting an autograph, so might be going through the nice stuff early, but this is a beautiful card here, and you're definitely not guaranteed an autograph, so pretty nice hit there. TJ White, Jordan VRs, Reed Trimble, Chase Petty, Andy Rodriguez, sky blue. Jaden Hill, Chad Dallas, Cooper Kinney, Frank Mazzucato, Spencer Schwellenbach, Chase Petty, sky blue parallel. Logan Henderson, Tyler Madison, Matt Mikulski, Doug Nikhazy, sky blue parallel. We're getting a lot of good ones. It would be nice to get some parallels of the big hitters, but if we have to save that for some numbered cards, I am okay with that. Harry Ford, JT Schwartz, Benny Montgomery, Doug Nikhazy, Andrew Painter, first sky blue parallel. Yeah, this auto is beautiful. Joe Rock's got a pretty sweet autograph too. Cody Morissette, Gunnar Hogland, there he is, Marcelo Mayer. Brock Selvage, Lonnie White, Kevin Cups, sky blue. Curious what these autographs are fetching. I mean, obviously it's going to vary a lot, but I wonder how they compare to the refractor autos, base refractor autos that are pretty similar. Chad Patrick, Mason Miller, Dustin Sains. I'm not sure how you pronounce that. Maddox Bruns, Julio Carreras, Mason Miller, Sky Blue parallel. Getting a lot of first parallels. I think last time I broke this, it was a lot of non-first cards for the parallels. Russell Smith, Tyler McDonough, Jordan McCants, Jay Allen, Dante Williams, Kyle Conley, Cooper Bowman, Kyle Manzardo, Sky Blue parallel. Oh, congrats, Shane. Yeah, it's pretty. Rockies are a pretty good spot, I would say, in this break. Wes Kath, Sky Blue, because Benny Montgomery is definitely a pretty good prospect to look forward to. Haven't looked at what his autographs are going for, but I might have to dip in a little bit there. There's a Jordan Lawler. The centering here is questionable at best. I think they have another card coming in on the bottom of this card. Definitely don't grade that one. Jackson Jobe, Chase Petty, Edwin Arroyo, Bubba Chandler, Robert Gasser, Ryan Spikes, Tristan Casas, Sky Blue. Wow, yeah, I guess Benny Montgomery cards are going for quite a bit. Might be a little bit out of my price range, unfortunately. Matthew Nelson, Andrew Abbott, Hunter Goodman, Adrian Del Castillo. That's a name. Cooper Kinney, Sky Blue first. There's Joe Rock, Joe Mack. Some horribly centered cards again. Dominic Hamill. Gotta love good old Topps quality control. Yeah, I guess that Jordan Lawler card is a 1-1, isn't it? A lot of these cards are 1-1s because they're about to have another card pop up in the bottom. You get 2 players for 1 potentially. These packs themselves are in pretty rough shape, too. Sam Bachman. Jeez, look at the centering on all these. Steinmetz, Sains, Tiedemann, Chad Patrick. Trying to see what that is on the bottom of the card that you see there. Oh boy. At least a lot of our pretty good cards early on did not have that kind of centering. VR's, Bo Chandler. Unfortunately, Jake Fox, this Marcelo Mayer does. Quality control. Yeesh. I mean, for comparison purposes, that's... I mean, is this card... I feel like... Nah, I thought maybe the card's taller, but that'd be a little much. Steven Hajar. Ryan Cusick. Here's a Henry Davis. I'm sorry out there, guys, about this centering. If I had any confidence in Topps actually doing anything to fix it, I would look into it, but I don't have any confidence in that at all. Alright, looks like we got some gold at the bottom of this pack. Let's check it out. And some nicely centered cards, which is beautiful to see. And another Jordan Lawler. Gold is Noah Miller for the Twins. Shortstop. Numbered to 75. Pretty sweet hit there for the Twins. Yeah, Vince, it seems like the packs with without the foils are the ones that are messed up. Hopefully that keeps up. We don't get any nice cards, nice hits with centering issues. McCade Brown, Dominic Hamill, Jordan Groshans, Noah Miller. Another solid parallel. AL Central again. Cleveland Indians. Gavin Williams, numbered to 150. I really love the look of these blue parallels, personally, especially with guys like Marcelo Mayer. He just looks really good. Sean Burke, Mason Black, Gavin Williams, John Rhodes, Austin Love, Tanner Allen. And we got a blue parallel. I'm not sure how to pronounce this guy's name. I want to say Iggy Rosario for the Padres. Could be wrong there. Not a first card, unfortunately. So it looks like I might be grabbing some of the hits here. Maybe I should have held off on that pile. Will Bednar, Michael Morales, Dalen Lyle, Shane Panzini, Ryan Cusick, Jake Fox, and we got a blue of Austin Love for the Cardinals. 110 out of 150. Beautiful looking card there. Another nice blue parallel. Wow, that pack just popped right open. Alright. More color. Denzel Clark. Drew Gray, Cal Manzardo, Jacob Steinmetz, and an orange parallel of TJ White for the Washington Nationals. And yeah, I definitely agree. Oh, sorry, this is out of 25, 8 out of 25. I definitely agree with not buying any loose packs of this. All the hits are kind of jumbled up together. And I mean, if I cared to, I could probably look in the videos that I've done, this one and the previous one. Joe Mack, Brendan Beck, Joe Rock, their Stealth Relic, and look and see where those packs are. Colton Cowser, got a Blaze Jordan, Sky Blue. So I think they're probably all in the same place, though I guess it gets a little weird when they're all dropped individually in the box. I don't know if it's a machine dropping them or what. Jordan McCants, Brock Selvage, Michael Morales, Ricky Tiedemann, Christina Encarnacion Strand, Luis Angel Acuna, gold parallel, number to 75. Not a first. It's got some random spam in here. I'm gonna see if I can delete that. Yeah, it's nice having all that power. Yeah, Blaze Jordan is definitely getting a lot of press right now. Kate Povich, Tyler McDonough, Calmanzardo. Got a gold of Lonnie White Jr. 73 out of 75 for the Pittsburgh Pirates. People think Blaze is more than just power now, so he's getting some press, which is good. Good for the early 2021 Bowman product that I have sitting around. Tiedemann, Zavala, and very nice. We got a sky blue parallel of Henry Davis. I believe that one should probably fetch a pretty penny. Wish we got a numbered card of him, but we will take it. Congrats on that one, Pirates. Ian Moeller, Sean Burke, Wes Kath, Sam Bachman, Isaac Pacheco, Jeter Downs, Sky Blue. Jay Allen, Andrew Painter, Jose Torres, Brooks Gosswine, Diego Cartaya, Sky Blue. Sal Frelick, Rodriguez Cruz, Red Sox, Hunter Goodman, Jackson Jobe, Mason Miller, Sky Blue first card of Jay Allen. Cooper Kinney, Mason Black, Cal Conley, Calvin Ziegler, Steinmetz, Tyler Madison, and we got a blue of Maddox Bruns. I'm not entirely sure if I'm pronouncing that right. For the LA Dodgers, number 18 out of 150. Get some Dodger blue parallel there. Getting a lot of good parallels here. And I feel like we're hitting more than the last break, but I can't say that for sure. Lonnie White, Will Bednar, McGreevy, Sam Bachman. Got a blue of Brandon Boissiere, I believe is how you pronounce it, probably. 16 out of 150 for the Washington Nationals. Not the National we were looking for, but another numbered Nationals parallel. Ty Madden, Edwin Arroyo, Aaron Zavala, Tyler Black, Noah Miller, Gunnar Hoagland, another gold, Emmanuel Rodriguez, outfielder for the Twins, numbered 17 out of 50. That is a non-first card. I want to say 6, 7, something like that, more packs to go. Cutter Jensen, Matthew Nelson, Schwellenbach, Cops, and a blue of Cody Morissette for the Miami Marlins. These blue foils just look so good. Number 30 out of 150 for the Marlins. I think 6 packs to go. Alex Binelas, Austin Love. I think we might have gotten all of our hits out of the way, and now we're getting these packs with the messed up centering without any hits. Well, there's a Benny Montgomery. So that might more or less do it for us, but we will see. Harry Ford, Andrew Painter, Jaden Hill, Frank Mazzucato, Jackson Wolf, Hunter Goodman, Ruben Ibarra, yeah, more off-centered cards. Lyle. There's Brady House. Encarnacion Strand. Last pack of the break. Cards are normal, but I don't see a hit in the back. Mike Morales, Shane Panzini, Kops, Povich. And that about does it here. So, pretty solid break. Unfortunately, we had the cards with the printing issues. But at the end of the day, we got some pretty good hits, I think, to make up for it. A lot of parallels. None of the huge names, but a ton of good ones. Let's see if we can do a recap. A couple Marcelo Mayers. A couple of regular Henry Davises. We have a couple of Brady Houses as well. Got 3 Jordan Lawlers. Got this gold Emmanuel Rodriguez. Blue of Boissiere. Blue of Maddox Bruns. Gold of Lonnie White. Gold of Luis Angel Acuna. Blue of Austin Love. Don't know if I mentioned the Morissette. And the Joe Rock autograph, of course. TJ White Orange. Yeah, so these are the main hits, I would say, from the break. I think we did pretty solid here. Orange, a few golds, plenty of blue parallels, the Henry Davis Sky Blue, and the Joe Rock autograph. So, yeah, pretty good break. Wish we got one of the big hitters, but getting that Henry Davis Sky Blue was pretty nice. Hope you all enjoyed it. If you're new here, we do random team breaks on our website. It's where they're sold, justdingers.com. We got a random team break on baseball on Thursday. Unfortunately, it's all sold out. Fortunately for me, but unfortunately, if you're trying to get in, it was a $4 Bowman light break. We do have football and basketball still available, so check it out. And if you're interested in doing future breaks with us, please sign up for an account on the website and sign up for the newsletter, and you'll get updates when I load the product on the website. So if you're just here for the baseball break, hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully we will see you again this Thursday or on another future break. Take care, and thanks so much.